Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome to another week of Toy Tractor Tuesday. Over the last weekend, it was the Midwest Winter Nationals at the MEC. We attended Friday and Saturday. It was an awesome event once again this year. Actually caught up with a lot of friends at the pool and made some new friends. Yes, they had a toy show every day at the Midwest Winter Nationals. No, these did not come from there. Brantley did purchase a little 1/64 scale John Deere with loader. But Sunday, I set up at the Power from the Past at the Pulaski County School District with some of our toys to make room for more. And of course, happened to bring home some toys, including these two in front of me. These are wooden 1/16 scale pullers. Pretty cool. This one's modeled off of a 1466. As you see there, got the nice big wide tires. Seat and steering wheel. Dual exhaust. Front weight. Hitch on the back. And then your multi-engine modified. Pretty cool. 4-engine setup, fuel in the front. Even got the driveline hookup there. Now, as I was setting up, carrying my stuff in, he had a table next to me, and I seen these right away. He had a couple different ones, mostly international style, multi-engine style. He did have one set up with 2 Allison engines and 2 mini rods. He also has pulling sleds that he makes out of wood that the transfer box does move forward and backwards. I did purchase one of those. I purchased one unpainted because I have a little surprise that I am going to do with it, and I have chose the option to not show it unpainted yet. I was going to put it in this video, but decided to do otherwise. So in the next future, don't know how quick I'll get to it, but there will be a video of it. But this guy actually was a NTPA official for the Hoosier State back in the 80s, 90s, and he got out of it. I believe he said early 2000s, like 02, 03. So me and him pretty much talked the entire show between us selling items and so on and so forth. And talked about people we know, people that used to pull, don't pull no more, so on and so forth. Made the day go by extremely fast. He does set up at numerous shows. I believe he said his next one was going to be the Marshall County FFA Toy Show in Plymouth, Indiana. That is the second to last or the last weekend of February. I myself will be set up at that toy show as well. But back to the man that carved these out, as you rather say. He also does regular tractor carvings, and the even neater part that he did is he does steam engines. I like the look of a steam engine even more than the pullers, but me not being a steam guy, I chose pulling tractors. Mostly for Brantley, that way he has more to play with. He already, as soon as we got home Sunday, he got on the floor, got the sled, and he was pulling just like the Midwest Winter Nationals. It is so fun to see him use the toys we buy him. He appreciates it very much. So yeah, figured I'd show you guys these very unique toys. And he's actually very reasonable on these. The Pro Stock tractor was $30. Multi-engine mod was $40. Sled was $40 for unpainted, and I think $60 for painted. Mini rods was $30 as well. If you guys would like his contact information, I will put that in the comments. He is out of Porter County, Indiana. Not sure if he will ship or not, but you can contact him by phone number and see if you can meet up with him or meet him at the next local show. The next toy show I will be attending will be the Tipton Toy Show at the fairgrounds. That is February 2nd, I believe. I've not been to that one ever, but one of my old friends, actually from back when we rode side-by-sides, but he is a farming community guy. He now collects, buys, sells, and trades toy tractors, so me and him actually met up at Winamac and started talking, and he asked if I was going to Tipton, and I said I've never been there. So it's a great show, so we're going to go check it out. Most likely I'm not setting up at that show, but we will definitely be setting up at the Marshall County show, and we will also be attending the Lafayette Toy Show in March. I believe that is the first weekend of March, which Lafayette Toy Show, if you haven't heard, is no longer at the hotel. It has moved to the fairgrounds in Lafayette, Indiana. I have a feeling that'll make the show 10 times better. Many of you think it couldn't get better, but I don't think it'll be as a cluster of people walking around like it has been in the past. You get 20 people in a room looking at toys, it gets harder and harder to get out. So yeah, here's something added to the collection. I think they're neat, especially being made out of wood. I am going to get some lettering to put on both of these. But first I want to get the sled completed and painted and lettered up. And I'll be sure to inform you guys when it's done. I'll even do a nice video on it explaining why I chose what I did. So that's it for this evening, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed another video of Toy Tractor Tuesday. Tune in next week, and we are going to do a part 2 of what came home from Winamac Power from the Past Toy Show. Have a good week, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos from Miller Pulling Team.